Imagine the endless horizon, the scent of the sea mingling with the fresh breeze, and the allure of exploring multiple destinations without the hassle of packing and unpacking at each stop. Welcome to the world of cruising, a dynamic blend of relaxation, adventure, and luxury that has captivated the hearts of millions. From floating mega resorts to intimate yacht-like vessels, the options in cruising are as vast as the oceans themselves. Whether you are a first-timer eager to set sail or a seasoned cruiser seeking new experiences, this guide will navigate you through every wave of your cruising journey. But before we get started, just a reminder to stay until the end of the video, as we will show you how to get a free copy of our book, The Ultimate Guide to Cruising, Everything You Need to Know. This book is packed with practical advice to make your cruise the perfect experience. It's full of essential tips, so stick around until the end for your free copy. What is cruising? Cruising is not merely a journey. It's an experience that combines transportation, accommodation, and entertainment into one seamless adventure. This multifaceted holiday option allows you to visit numerous destinations while enjoying the comfort and luxury of a floating hotel. Cruise ships range from intimate boutique-style yachts to colossal vessels equipped with every conceivable amenity. Whether you are looking to mingle with a few dozen fellow adventurers or find your niche in a crowd of thousands, there's a ship to fit every taste and budget. The history of cruising. The concept of cruising began in the early 19th century, primarily as a means for transporting mail and passengers across seas in comfort and style. Over the decades, cruising morphed from a functional travel necessity into a sought-after vacation style. Today, modern cruise ships offer a stark contrast to their predecessors, with innovations like ice skating rinks and robot bartenders. Yet they still retain the charm and elegance of the golden era of sea travel, making every journey a nostalgic yet futuristic adventure. Popular cruise destinations. Cruising offers access to some of the most spectacular corners of the globe, from the sun-kissed Caribbean islands to the pristine wilderness of Alaska and the culturally rich ports of the Mediterranean. Each destination offers its own unique blend of sights, sounds, and experiences. Visuals of bustling ports like Barcelona's grand architecture or the serene beauty of the Norwegian fjords underscore the diverse options available to every cruiser, ensuring a fresh view with every voyage. Planning your cruise can be as crucial as selecting the destination itself. Factors like the length of the cruise, types of onboard activities, and the demographics of fellow passengers can significantly influence your experience. It's helpful to recognize the logos and unique selling propositions of various cruise lines. Whether it's family-friendly fun, luxury indulgence, or adventure-centric voyages, there's definitely a cruise line tailored to your needs. Life on board is a microcosm of a vibrant city. There's something happening at every hour, and for every kind of traveler. From the tranquility of a lounge chair on the sun deck to the buzz of the nightclub, these floating giants are equipped to cater to all your needs. Accommodations range from cozy interior cabins to expansive suites with ocean views. Each space is designed to be your home away from home throughout your journey. Dining on a cruise ship is an adventure in itself. From gourmet meals crafted by world-renowned chefs to casual dining locales and quaint cafes, the options are limitless. Specialty dining venues also offer experiences like sushi bars and steakhouses, often included in the cruise fare or available for a modest fee. Cruise ships are renowned for their broad spectrum of entertainment and activity options. Evening shows range from Broadway-style productions to intimate jazz performances, while days at sea can be filled with activities from art auctions to water sports. Onboard casinos, movie theaters, and live music performances ensure that your time at sea is as exciting or relaxed as you choose. For those looking to relax or stay active, cruise ships offer state-of-the-art spa and fitness facilities. Indulge in a massage with ocean views, detox in a steamy sauna, or maintain your fitness regimen in well-equipped gyms. These amenities not only enhance your physical well-being, but also ensure that your vacation is a rejuvenating experience. Exploring the shore is as integral to the cruising experience as life on board. Whether it's a guided tour through historic sites, a snorkeling adventure in crystal-clear waters, or a shopping spree in local markets, shore excursions provide deep dives into the culture and beauty of each port. Booking through the cruise line can offer conveniences and guarantees, but exploring locally provides more adventurous and often more economical options. Cruises are social environments, and making new friends is part of the voyage. Participating in activities and joining clubs on board can enhance your experience and introduce you to fellow travelers with similar interests. From dance classes to trivia nights, there's no shortage of opportunities to mingle and create lasting memories with new acquaintances. Seasickness is a common concern for many cruisers, but modern ships are designed to minimize discomfort. Moreover, there are plenty of remedies available, from over-the-counter medications to natural solutions like ginger and acupressure bracelets. Visiting the Onboard Medical Center can also provide relief and ensure that seasickness doesn't spoil your adventure. While cruising offers an all-inclusive vacation experience, additional expenses can add up. Being mindful of onboard spending, taking advantage of special offers, and setting a daily budget can help manage costs effectively. Look for value-added perks like beverage packages or onboard credit deals when booking your cruise, as these can lead to significant savings. In today's connected world, staying in touch with those on board and at home is easier than ever. Many ships offer Wi-Fi packages, and using apps for internal communication can keep you connected without incurring extra costs. Social platforms also make sharing your journey with friends and family back home a breeze, keeping everyone in the loop of your sea adventures. As we dock back into reality, remember that cruising is more than just a means of travel. It's a gateway to a world of new experiences, friendships, and memories. For further insights and cost-saving tips on your next cruise, don't forget to check out additional resources and continue exploring the vast ocean of possibilities that cruising offers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Looking for even more travel inspiration? Be sure to visit our website, traveldaytripideas.com. And as a special thank you for being a loyal viewer, we're offering you a free copy of our book, The Ultimate Guide to Cruising: Everything You Need to Know. This book is packed with practical advice to help you make your cruise the perfect experience. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser or planning your first voyage, this book is full of essential tips and secrets for a successful cruise. Simply click the link in the description below to download your free copy. Happy travels!